Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Instagram Reels that loop perfectly, as smooth, seamless, and super watchable. Let's get started. First, start by choosing a short action or motion that can end the same way it begins, like a spin, clap, turn, or jump. This makes looping look natural and clean. Then, in your editing app like CapCut or Instagram Reels editor, trim the clip so the first and last frames match closely. Use the split and reverse tool if needed. This helps create a boomerang-like effect. Then add a background music that starts and ends on a beat. Choose a song with a clean loops or draw points. This makes the transition feel intentional and keeps viewer watching again and again. And that's how you make reel that loop perfectly. Try it out and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content tips. Thanks for watching.